So, Tommy, a quickie for the people watching.
What's the name of this road? Stanford Road. What's the name of this road? Stanford Street.
We're currently with Tommy Robinson in Stanford Street. Can you look into the camera, Tommy?
Yep.
Talk to your followers on Twitter and also on YouTube. What exactly is going on at this moment in time?
At the moment, we're meeting with the police. These are all police officers over here. We're meeting with them to finalise preparations and plans of what works best on the day for you, for us, and for them, yeah? So we want to work with them on it. We've got our stewards, we've got our security, and we're planning our route. And what we now know is that the start of this road, so we will have stewards with arms linked along Stanford Road. Stanford Road or Stanford Street?
Stanford Street.
Stanford Street, yeah? And then our formation will be from here, and it will go as far as you can see, yeah? So this is the muster point. The front of the muster point is here. Whereas before, we were telling everyone to head to Waterloo, it's now going to be Blackfriars and London Bridge, yeah? Blackfriars and London Bridge station, because that way, if you come from Waterloo, you'll have to come through this crowd. Now, this is the start of the muster point, so we want everyone to be coming from that direction. Everyone, which is London Bridge, Blackfriars Station. I think Southwark's down that way. So there's lots of stations down that way where everyone can come off, they're next to each other, and then you'll walk down here. We'll have stewards, which will have their arms linked, blocking the entirety of this road, and this will be the start of our march. Just so you know, the opposition to us are meeting totally somewhere different, yeah? So this entire area, this side of the river, is a sterile area, which that means is our area, where the police's job is to keep any opposition from us away. Now, when we leave the point for this march, there will be police units clearing the routes ahead, yeah? So what we need you to do, everyone, is to come from this direction. So Stanford Street, short-term memory, Stanford Street, Blackfriars, London Bridge, you come off there, plenty of places to eat, meet, coffee shops, come off there, whereas before, just as a change of plan, you will still be able to get it from Waterloo, but you have to walk round all the way, so you might as well, to get to Waterloo, you come through London Bridge anyway, yeah? So you might as well get off at London Bridge, that way we've got everyone coming from this direction, we are going to feel, as far as your eyes can see, yeah? People are coming from across Britain for this event. As we've said many times, this work, there's like 10 police officers there, the planning that goes on behind the scenes from their point of view, and they have successfully managed these events 4 times, yeah? Yeah. So come with the right attitude, right? Everyone has to come with the right attitude. This isn't a clash. We're coming to have a celebration, and we've worked tirelessly with the police on this event, right?